Hi everyone, Daniel here from ourcloudnetwork.com. This is just a short video to show you how to find and restore cross-tenant access policies in Microsoft Entra. Now, cross-tenant access policy allows you to define which organizations you can and cannot collaborate with, as well as the level of trust you have with that organization. Now, an issue may occur if a security administrator or a global administrator in your environment accidentally or maliciously deletes one of these policies. If that happens, no one in your organization may be able to collaborate with that partner organization, or it may have a wider business impact. Now, because this is quite a new feature, all the buttons in the web portal to do this restore aren't available yet. So I'm going to walk you through that process using PowerShell, which is still fairly undocumented at Microsoft. So the first thing I'm going to do is delete the policy that I have here with Microsoft. So now that policy is gone, I need to restore it. So I have in the link below a blog article which highlights all the code snippets you need to do this restore process. Now the first thing I'm going to do is open up my PowerShell 7. Now this is the recommended version of PowerShell you need to run Microsoft Graph. The first thing you need to do is connect to Microsoft Graph with the policy.readAll permission, which allows you to read and view the deleted policies. If I do this, it's going to connect. In my scenario, I don't need to sign in, but for you, you may need to sign in and provide the consent as a global administrator the first time. Next, I'm going to run the following snippet to list all the deleted policies. Now I've got a few deleted policies in here, but the relevant one is this one. Find it based on the tenant ID of the partner that you remove the policy from. So this is just Microsoft's public tenant ID. Now there's no meaningful name in here, so there are other methods to get the tenant ID, but if you don't already know it, you may need to ask that partner organization what their tenant ID is. So grab that tenant ID, and for my sake, I've already pasted it into a notepad so I can. So if you come back to the blog post and scroll down, you'll find the next command you need to run, and that's to connect with a write permission that allows you to restore the policies. So copy this command, paste it in, and it will reconnect to Microsoft Graph with this new permission. Again, for you, you may be asked to do the sign in again as a global admin. Now you can run the restore commands and make sure you change the value of this variable to the tenant ID that you want to restore with. So hit copy, paste it in, and if it's successful, the output should be the settings of the policy that you've just restored. So once that's done, head back to the Entra admin portal, refresh the policies page, and you can see now that that policy has been successfully restored with all the custom settings it had before, restoring the collaboration you have with that partner organization. And it's as simple as that. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.